T equal to -263. तो what are the points in cylindrical? तो पहले सब लोग मुझे चैट बॉक्स में रो की वैल्यू बताइए. फर्स्ट यू टेल मी द वैल्यू ऑफ रो. स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू विल गो. रो कैलकुलेट करो. रो now don't look at the chat box, you calculate by your own. Keep calculator with you. देखो सबका आंसर 6.3 आ रहा. आपका आंसर 6.3 आ रहा कि नहीं आ रहा? तो मेजोरिटी आंसर ही 6.3. और जिनका कंप्लीट हो गया वो नेक्स्ट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. आई एम वेटिंग, आई एम गिविंग टाइम फॉर अदर्स. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग आंसर एज 6.23, 6.3. So how they have got this answer? Under root x square plus y square. So 2 square plus 6 square, that means 6.3. Sure. Then what is phi? No issue. Minus 71.56. Can you tell me the positive angle? Minus 71.56. Tell me the positive angle. Options will be there in the positive angle. तो कुछ okay, 288, 288, okay. 108 or 288. And I will not, options will not be there random. Definitely all possible answers we will keep. जैसे कि अभी 288 भी ऑप्शंस में रह सकता. So this coordinate is in the second quadrant. For second quadrant we have this thing 180 minus tan inverse magnitude y is 6, x is 2. I think it is correct. And it comes out as 108 degree. ठीक है. Because these coordinate points are in the second quadrant. These are in the second quadrant. Minus 2, 6 are in the second quadrant. Simply xy एक्सिस ड्रॉ करने का. ये रहता x, x की पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज, ये x की नेगेटिव वैल्यूज. x की नेगेटिव वैल्यू है मतलब -2, y की पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है मतलब 6. -2, 6 इज इन द सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट. तो एंगल विल बी बिटवीन 90 to 180 degree. The answer is 108 degree. And z, जल्दी से बताओ. z 3. सिंपल. दोनों का z सेम रहेगा. दोनों का z सेम रहेगा. So this is the answer. Same question. -263. What are the spherical coordinates? तो पहला रहता r. So tell me the value of r. So some students are getting 7. How they are getting 7? बाकी लोग सोचो इनको 7 कैसे क्या आंसर आ रहा. तो r is under root 2 square plus 6 square plus 3 square, x square plus y square plus z square. 36, 4 plus 36, 40 plus 9, 49. Under root 49 is 7. No need of calculator also. Theta. So theta comes out as, by using this थीटा इक्वल टू कॉस इनवर्स जेड कितना है 3 डिवाइडेड बाय आर हमारे पास आ चुका 7 तो कॉस इनवर्स 3/7 थीटा फॉर्मूला इज कॉस इनवर्स z upon under root x square plus y square plus z square and this is nothing but r की वैल्यू 7 थी r की वैल्यू 7 है तो cos इनवर्स 3/7 is 64.6 डिग्री फाइ 108.4 डिग्री ऑलरेडी हमने कैलकुलेट कर चुके पिछले क्वेश्चन में दोनों का फाइ सेम रहता 108 डिग्री 108 डिग्री दोनों का फाइ सेम रहता बाकी लोग भी ट्राई करो अब थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन if cylindrical coordinates are 4 270 degree 3 what are Cartesian coordinates पहले मुझे x बताओ x I have already informed you what I am going to do in the next class. I told you that because only in the syllabus we have this conversion. You should have the understanding of these coordinates. That is one point. Question based on this. Identify the coordinates. What is explanation of coordinate? Range of coordinate. Other type of question is the conversion coordinate. फिर भी आज मैंने इसकी ये लिया रिवीजन लिया जल्दी से बताओ x जीरो करेक्ट कैसे आया ये x बाकी लोग जिनका आंसर नहीं आ रहा x जीरो कैसे आया इनका x इक्वल टू रो cos फाइ रो 4 है 4 cos 270 डिग्री cos 270 का आंसर जीरो है तो x में क्या वैल्यू आ गई जीरो ना y रो sin फाइ रो sin फाइ रो की वैल्यू 4 है sin 270 डिग्री यूज डिग्री मोड इन द कैलकुलेटर यूज डिग्री मोड इन द कैलकुलेटर ऊपर आर डी ऐसा लिखा हुआ रहता है यूज डिग्री मोड ऑफ द कैलकुलेटर sin 270 वैल्यू इज -1 तो -4 एंड z सेम 3 z इज सेम 3 ठीक है चल अभी आगे आपके कार्टेशियन ठीक है आपको मुझे बताना है स्फेरिकल पहला आएगा r पहला आएगा r आप पूरा कंप्लीट कैलकुलेट करो r एवरीथिंग यू कैलकुलेट then theta and phi okay बाकी लोग व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम तो r is under root 0 square plus 4 square plus 3 square 0 square plus 4 square plus 3 square माइनस 4 स्क्वायर मतलब प्लस 4 स्क्वायर, तो ये हो गया 5। ठीक है, सी अगर आप अभी नहीं कर पा रहे तो एग्जाम में भी नहीं कर पाएंगे। ठीक है, if you are not able to do it right now, you will not be able to do it in the exam. Then next is the theta. Theta is cos inverse z. Z is 3 upon r is 5. Cos inverse 3 by 5 is 53 degree, and phi is tan inverse y by x. Y is minus 4, x is 0. Tan inverse infinity, and this will be pi by 2. Now just see that where is this minus 4 0? Minus 4 0 is here. This is nothing but 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4. Where is 0 minus 4? Here. Here it is. What is the angle here? I want positive angle answer. Why you are not given the answer? 270 degree. राजेश्री ओम, tan इनवर्स इंफिनिटी का आंसर पाई बाय 2 रहता। अब हमको ये देखना है कि ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स कहाँ पे, 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4 यहाँ पे रहता, लोकेशन ऑफ 0 minus 4, so it is nothing but minus, sorry, 270 degree. I want positive angle, answer is 270 degree. ये पॉइंट क्या रहेगा, a कॉमा 0, ये पॉइंट क्या रहेगा 0 कॉमा a, ये पॉइंट क्या रहेगा माइनस a कॉमा 0, और ये पॉइंट रहेगा 0 कॉमा माइनस a इज सम कॉस्ट 0 कॉमा माइनस। चल नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Suppose Cartesian point is minus 3 4 minus 1. Identify incorrect value. Identify incorrect option. So first is under root r equal to under root 26. Second is phi equal to tan inverse 4 by minus 3. Third is z equal to minus 1. Last is rho equal to 6. तो r का आंसर अंडर रूट 26 बरोबर है 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 1, 9 प्लस 16 प्लस 1 26, करेक्ट है। z की वैल्यू -1, ये भी करेक्ट है। पाई की वैल्यू tan इनवर्स 4 बाय -3, ये भी करेक्ट है। और रो की वैल्यू 6 नहीं आएगी, रो की वैल्यू आएगी अंडर रूट 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर, दैट मीन अंडर रूट 5, अंडर रूट 25, अंडर रूट 25 मतलब 5, तो रो का वैल्यू 5 होना चाहिए, तो ये आंसर इनकरेक्ट, दिस इज द इनकरेक्ट। Okay, if cylindrical coordinates are 2 30 degree 5, what are Cartesian coordinates? What is value of x? बाकी लोग भी ट्राई करो। √3, that means 1.73. X is rho cos, so these are, even if I not mention here, it is which coordinates, it is which these points are in which coordinate system, you should be able to identify that these are cylindrical coordinate system. X is rho cos phi, rho is 2 here, so rho phi z are given, relation is x equal to rho cos phi, so 2 cos 30, 2 cos 30 answer is 1.73. Now y, 1 rho sin phi, rho is 2 sin 30, sin 30 is 1/2, कैलकुलेटर में कैलकुलेट करो, नो इशू, डिग्री का मोड यूज करो, डोंट यूज रेडियन मोड. y will be 1 and z will be 5. z सेम रहता, z will be 5. z will be 5. Okay. Now can you tell me spherical? I have the answer available. Tell me spherical. चलो एक का आंसर 5.7 5.38, बाकी लोग आंसर 5.37. ओके. अगर कोई स्टूडेंट बाकी लोगों के जैसा फास्ट कैलकुलेट नहीं कर पा रहा तो उसको सोचना पड़ेगा कि उसको पहले फॉर्मूले लिखने की प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. प्रैक्टिस इज रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज यू हैव द 4 ऑप्शंस. आप ऑप्शंस देखते, ऑप्शंस देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है इसमें, पहले आपको कैलकुलेट करना करते आना चाहिए. तो दिस 1.73 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 5 स्क्वायर अंडर रूट में ले गए तो उसका आंसर आएगा 5.38. चलो इसका स्क्वायर प्लस इसका स्क्वायर प्लस इसका स्क्वायर, उसका अंडर रूट, यू विल गेट आंसर 5.38. नाउ थीटा, थीटा इज cos inverse 5 upon r 5.38 cos theta formula is cos inverse z upon r, or you can say z upon under root x square plus y square plus z square. तो 21 डिग्री आ रहा स्टूडेंट्स का आंसर, 21 डिग्री. एंड 5 30 डिग्री. tan inverse 1 upon 1.73, coordinates are in the first quadrant, coordinates are in the first quadrant, tan inverse 1 upon 1.73, coordinates are in first quadrant, so angle will be positive. tan inverse 1 upon 1.73 होता है 30 डिग्री. ठीक है. पहले मुझे बताओ ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स किस कौन से सिस्टम में है. 10 π/4 π/3. This point P is given in which coordinate system? Spherical. So r theta phi is given. R theta phi is given. Π/4 definitely it is an angle. Π/4 means 45 degree. Π/3 means 60 degree. Pi value you should take 180. 180 upon 4 45. 180 upon 3 60. चलो फिर जल्दी से बताओ एक्स वाई जेड. एक्स वाई जेड, यू हैव टू टेल मी एक्स वाई जेड. एक्स एक्स practice is required. If you are using degree mode, don't use cos π/4. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपका कैलकुलेटर अगर आप डिग्री मोड में है तो cos π/4 का वैल्यू 1/√2 नहीं देगा. 0.707 दे रहा क्या ये? Will it give us 0.0707? Can anyone please confirm whether it is giving 0.707? Okay, 7.07 दे रहा क्या? गलत है, फिर वो कॉस फंक्शन की वैल्यू 1 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती। ओके, 0.707 दे रहा, ठीक है। सिंपली आप डिग्री मोड यूज कर रहे हो तो 45 डिग्री यूज करो, 45, 5/4 को 45 लिखो। तो एक्स आंसर इज 3.53। हाउ दे गॉट दिस आंसर? जिनका नहीं आया वो इधर देखो, आर रिलेशन इज आर साइन थीटा, साइन थीटा कॉस पाई, आर साइन थीटा कॉस पाई, आर साइन थीटा कॉस पाई से आंसर आए। थीटा 45 है, फाइव 30 डिग्री है, सॉरी 560 डिग्री है, आर 10 है, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, यू विल गेट वाई 6.12, आर साइन थीटा साइन पाई, आर साइन 45 cos 60 sin 60, आंसर कम्स आउट है 6.1। Z 7.07, r cos theta, Z equal to r cos theta, r is 10, cos theta is 45 degree, so that is nothing but 7.07. ये कौन से कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में गिवन है पॉइंट्स? The point P is given in which coordinate system? Cylindrical. Today I will continue lecture till 11:50 and afternoon class will be up to 2 p.m. ठीक है, बताओ फिर कार्टेशियन। x -25 और -2.5, -2.5, तो रो फाइव z is given, रो फाइव z is given, x equal to रो cos phi, x equal to रो cos phi, रो is 5 cos 120 degree, so it is nothing but -2.5, -2.5, y रो sin phi 4.33, रो is 5, 5 sin 120, 5 sin 120 डिग्री मोड वापरा, 5 sin 120 4.3 और z 1 same, and I don't think I am going very fast, I am going with moderate speed only, I am giving you time to calculate. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन, P is -3 -4 -10, -3 -4 -10, you just have to tell me theta, theta in spherical coordinate system, theta in spherical coordinate system. गलत है, थीटा आपका 0 से 180 डिग्री रहता, थीटा की रेंज 0 से 180 डिग्री है, 94 is also incorrect. 85 is also incorrect. 153, 154 is the correct answer. 153, 154 is the correct answer. So first of all, you need to calculate R also. R is under root 3 square plus 4 square plus 10 square. That means 9 plus 16 plus 100. अंडर रूट 125 कितना है? अंडर रूट 125. हाउ मच इज आर? 11.18. 11.18. Okay. Then this will be cos inverse. Theta is cos inverse z upon r. Cos inverse minus 10 upon 11.18, and it comes out as, please check. डिग्री मोड है क्या दर्शन आपका? Okay, I think she is giving me that 10 upon 11.18, 0.89. Okay, cos inverse 0.89 minus 0.89 is 153.14 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो चीज ये है, आपकी थीटा की रेंज कितनी है? जो थीटा रेंज इज 0 to 180 degree. Whenever your z coordinate is positive, your theta will be in this range. Your theta will be in this range. Whenever z is negative, your theta will be in this range. Because we have this formula cos inverse z upon r. R is always positive. So it all depends on this z value. It all depends on this z value. If z is positive, your angle will be between 0 to 90 degree. If z is negative, your answer will be between 90 to 180 degree. My points are -3, -4, -10. Tell me phi. I want positive answer. 233 बरोबर है, क्योंकि these points are in the third quadrant. These points are in the third quadrant. Only one student getting the answer. Remaining students, phi. ये पॉइंट्स थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में आप ऐसा अगर यूज करेंगे tan इनवर्स -4 अपॉन -3, मतलब tan इनवर्स 4/3, you will get 53.13. But this is incorrect because the points are in the third quadrant. Third quadrant मतलब यहाँ पे -4 -3, यहाँ पे होगा -3 -4, -3 -4 यहाँ पे होगा थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट मतलब एंगल 180 से 270 के बीच में. तो यू शुड यूज पाई प्लस tan इनवर्स y/x and it comes out as 233.13 degree. Rho yes, under root 3 -3 square plus -4 square, that means under root 25. Rho is 5. Suppose point is 203. What is rho? What is phi? What is z? बहुत जल्दी सॉल्व होना चाहिए. Rho is 2 under root 2 square plus 0 square. Rho is 2. Phi is tan inverse y/x tan inverse 0 by 2, tan inverse 0, tan inverse 0 is 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0 and z is 3. Z is same, z is 3. ठीक है, अब यही क्वेश्चन में अगर ऐसा हो -203 तो रो तो सेम आएगा, पाई कितना आएगा, रो तो सेम आ जाएगा 2, पाई कितना आएगा 5. वेरी गुड प्रसाद, 180 डिग्री आएगा, पाई विल बी 180 डिग्री. So be careful with the coordinates. -20 -20 मतलब यहाँ पे रहेगा और यहाँ पे एंगल है 180 डिग्री. -20 will be there on this negative x-axis, and for negative x-axis angle is 180 degree, and z will be same 3. Quadrant, that this is the first quadrant. Here x is positive, y is positive, x is positive, y is positive. This is a quadrant, second quadrant. Here x is negative, y is positive. This is third quadrant. X is negative, y is negative. This is fourth quadrant. Both x and y are here x is positive and y is negative. In fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. First quadrant both positive, second quadrant x negative, y positive, third quadrant both negative, last quadrant, fourth quadrant x positive, y negative. And angle formula, so first quadrant phi is tan inverse y by x. For second quadrant 180 minus tan inverse mod of y by x. If you use this formula, you will get answer as positive angle. For third quadrant 180 plus tan inverse y by x. And for last quadrant 360 minus tan inverse mod of y by x. Mod of y by x. So if you use this type of formula, definitely your phi angle answer will be positive. There are other formulas available on internet which will give you the correct form. That formulas are also correct, but their answer is coming in negative. I always want that our answer should be positive. Phi angle positive. चलो जल्दी से बोलो whether you have this summary available with you so that we can solve for the question. We can move to solve the questions. I hope you know all these formulas. If you know, please say why in the chat box. तो अभी थोड़े अलग टाइप के क्वेश्चंस देख रहे हैं. Keep calculators with you, and each question is of like 6 mark. ठीक है, हर एक क्वेश्चन 6 मार्क का होगा. So around you can take 3 minutes, 5 minutes, no issue. Even if you take 5 minutes, no issue. But everyone should try to get the answer. अगर नहीं आया तो बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड होगी, उसके बाद आप देखो कि क्यों आंसर नहीं आया. Okay, but you have to identify why you are not getting answer or whether you are getting answer or not. Okay, last quadrant z is r cos theta. Okay, z is r cos theta. Yes, very good. Z is r cos theta. Z is r cos theta. Okay. So first question: if Cartesian coordinates are a, 2a, 3a, and cylindrical coordinates are under root 45, 5, z, where a is a positive real number, so what is value of phi and z? So first you tell me the value of a. First you find out the value of a. So Cartesian coordinates given, cylindrical coordinates, some values of cylindrical coordinates given. Cartesian coordinates are in terms of a, 2a, 3a. and only one value of cylindrical coordinate is provided to us. We have to find out the value of A, as well as we have to determine phi and z. Very good. A equal to 3. A equal to 3. Other students, identify why you are not getting answer as 3. So this value is provided under root 45. This value is provided under root 45. So this is nothing but rho. Cylindrical coordinate means this is nothing but rho. So we know that rho is nothing but under root x square plus y square. So rho value is under root 45 equal to under root a square plus 2a square is how much? 4a square. 2a square is not 2a square. 2a whole square is not 2a square. It is 4a square. So a square plus 4a square, total 5a square. So under root 5a square equal to under root 45. So under root 45 equal to under root 5 into under root a square is a. So a value is under root 45 upon under root 5. That means 9 under root 9, and it is nothing but 3. So a value is 3. Once we have a value, we got the cylindrical coordinates a, 2a, 3a. That means 3, 6, 9. A value is 3, 2a value will be 6, 3a value will be 9. So now we can find out phi also. So phi equal to tan inverse y by x. They have mentioned a is a positive real number. So under root 9 can be plus minus 3. But a is a positive number. So we will take plus 3. So tan inverse 3, tan inverse 6 by 3. How much? So phi equal to 63.4. 63.4. Is it 71.5 or 63.4? Majority is with 63.4. So those who are getting 71, please check. Tan inverse 6 by 3 is 63.4 and z will be 9. Z is same in cylindrical and Cartesian. So z value is 9. So these are our answer. A value is 3. Phi value is 63.4 and z value is 9. Next question. If Cartesian coordinates are 3a, 4a, 0 and spherical coordinates are 50, theta, phi, a is a positive real number. So what is a, what is theta, what is phi? So we know that in cylindrical coordinate, this is r, theta, phi. R formula is under root x square plus y square plus z square. That means under root 3a square, 3a whole square, that means 9a square. 4a whole square means 16a square. 0 square means 0. So this will be under root 29 plus 16, that means 25. A square, that means 5a. So this is 5a equal to 50. R value given is 50. So a value is 10. So Cartesian coordinates are now 3 into 5, 10, that means 30. 4 into 10 means 40 and 0. So now we have to determine theta. Theta will be cos inverse z upon r. So cos inverse 0 upon 50. Cos inverse 0 is 0. Cos inverse 0 is 0. And phi is tan inverse. Phi is tan inverse y by x. A is a positive real number, okay. Y is 40, x is 30. So it comes out as 53.13 degree. So these are our answers. 0 degree, theta 0, phi 53.13, A equal to 10. So these are the answers. Next question. If Cartesian coordinates are 6a, 8a, 4 and cylindrical coordinates are 100, 5, 4, A is a positive real number. What is A? What is phi? Okay, so A value you got. Now find out value of phi. Take your time, no issue. Yes. Okay. So cylindrical coordinates are rho phi z. Rho phi z. Rho is nothing but under root x square plus y square. X is 6a. 6a whole square, that means 36a square. 8a whole square, that means 64a square. And rho value given is 100. So that is nothing but under root 100 a square, that means 10 a. Under root 100 is 10. Under root a square is a. So a value is 10. And phi is, so 6a will become 60, 80, 4. 6 into 10, 60, 8 into 10, 80, 4. So phi will be tan inverse 80 upon 60. So it comes out as 53.13 degree. Next question. If Cartesian coordinates are -2, a, 6 and spherical coordinates are 7, theta, 5. Try to solve this question. So A you are getting 3. A value is 3. So I think I have given you enough time. A is -3. A is negative real number. So you should be careful. Very good. A is a negative real number. So A value is -3. A value is -3. So spherical given means r, theta, phi. And these are Cartesian x, y, z. So we know that r is under root x square plus y square plus z square. R value is 7. So 7 equal to under root -2 square means 4. A can be negative also. So it becomes a square and z is 36. So under root 40 plus a square. If I take the square, so 49, 7 square is 49 equal to 40 plus a square. So a square equal to 9. So a can be plus -3. As they have mentioned, a is a negative real number. So a value is -3. A value is -3. Now theta equal to cos inverse z by r. Z is 6. Z is 6 and r is 7. How much? So z value is positive, right? If z value is positive, your theta answer will be between 0 to 90 degree and it is nothing but 31 degree. And phi is tan inverse y by x. But these x and y are in the third quadrant. For third quadrant, formula is phi equal to 180 plus tan inverse y by x. 180 plus tan inverse y by x. So it is 303 degree. Both are negative na. A is negative, x is negative. So it is in the third quadrant. Both numbers are negative, is in the third quadrant. Here y is negative, x is negative. That means this is the third quadrant. And third quadrant formula is 180 plus tan inverse y by x. So it is not 303 degree. It is how much? 236 degree. It is 206 or 236. 236 degree. Okay. So be careful with the angle phi. So I hope you agree with this answer, 236 degree. Because it is in the third quadrant. It will not be in the fourth quadrant. Negative means third quadrant. Next question. If cylindrical coordinates are 15, 5, 4 and Cartesian coordinates are 3a, 4a, 4, what is value of a and phi? A is a positive real number. हमारे चैट बॉक्स में पहला स्टेप ए का आंसर बताना चाहिए आपने. You tell me the value of A. So cylindrical means rho phi z is given. Rho phi z. This is Cartesian, so x, y, z. So rho is under root x square plus y square. That means 3a square means 9a square. 4a square means 16a square. And rho value given is 15. So under root 25 a square, that means under root 25 a square equal to 15. Under root 25 is 5. Under root a square is a. So 5a equal to 15. A equal to 3. A equal to 3. So we got the Cartesian coordinates at 3a. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 3, 12 and 4. Now phi tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse y by x. So it is 53. Tan inverse 12 by 9 is 53.13 degree. Tan inverse 12 by 9 is 53.13 degree. So this is answer. Next question. Spherical coordinates are under root 96, comma theta, comma phi, and Cartesian coordinates are a, comma 2a. A is a positive real number. So what is value of a? So I am waiting for this answer. What is value of a? So majority is with a 4. So rho theta phi, sorry, r theta phi, spherical means r theta phi. So r is nothing but under root x square plus y square plus z square. R given is under root 96 equal to under root a square plus 2a square. 2a square यहाँ पे गलती होने के चांसेस है. 2a होल स्क्वायर है, दैट मीन्स 4a स्क्वायर. So under root 96 equal to under root 6a square. I will take square both sides. So 96 equal to 6a square. A square equal to 96 upon 6. It is nothing but 16. What is given? A is positive. Okay, A is positive real number. If I take the under root, A value is plus 4. If A is negative real number, A value will be minus 4. So A is 4. Our Cartesian coordinates are now A, 2A. So 4, 4, 8. 4, 4, 8. Next, we have to determine theta and phi. Theta, phi. So what is value of theta? What is value of theta? Theta formula, cos inverse z by r. R is under root 96. Cos inverse 8 upon under root 96. Use degree mode. Use degree mode. It comes out as 31.19 degree. Okay, 31.2 degree is the answer for theta. Then pi. Pi is tan inverse y by x. Coordinates are in the first quadrant. So tan inverse 4 by 4. Y is 4, x is 4. Tan inverse 4 by 4. That means tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is 45 degree.